and we're doing nails again. Hi, I haven't done long videos in a while, but I was in the mood, so I'm going to do it now. And yes, this video does not have the best setup, and it's a little bit messy, but I was in the mood, so I was like, let me do it now before I change my mind. So in this video, I'm going to be doing pink velvet French nails. It's basically French tips, but pink. And I'm going to be making this video not too long, not too short, because I want to be mindful of those who have a little bit of a short attention span, like myself. This is the glitter that I will be using to make the velvet effect. First, I'm going to show you how I shape my nails. So the short of it is I just clip it down about 3 or 4 times. Then I clip the sides and then I file it. That's literally it. It's not too hard, but I know filing is not the easiest task for a lot of people. I mean, for me, it was kind of hard. I'm finally able to shape it the way I want it now. So yeah, that's just what I do. And I know those people who have been here since like probably 200 subscribers are like, why are you just not posting a long video? Well, long videos are super hard to edit for me. And I finally got in the mood, so like I said, I'm doing it now. I got this nail idea from Hey Great Nails. At first I saw her post it on Pinterest and I was like, ooh, that's so cute. And then I saw her post it on YouTube and I was like, wait a minute, didn't I just see this on Pinterest? I mean, what? How could she know what I was going to try to do? Well, anyway, I thought it was cute and I'm doing it now. And I wanted to show you this quick tip. So I line up my file with my cuticles and then I see if they're all the same length. And I also turn it on the other side to make sure they're around the same length, because one thing I can't stand but somehow seem to do all the time is make them different lengths. And now I'm done with the filing. So I just need to choose a good pink. I don't have the exact pink she used, and I honestly don't know which pink she used, but I like to, most time I don't really like to use gel a lot anyway. I most times like to use liqueur because it seemed to be better for my nails. But at this very moment, I'm just going to mix to 2 because I don't have any liqueur gel eye magnetic cat eye polish, if you know what I mean. I end up going with this Sally Hansen pink color. It is very, very pretty. My camera couldn't do the vibrant, the justice. My camera couldn't do justice. Speaking of my camera, it just fell. Anyway, my camera couldn't do justice to the color. If you get it, you get it. Then yeah. But anyway, I also changed the light because I was like, you guys need to see, like, this color is just so pretty. I was almost finna leave it the way it is, but yeah, I didn't do that. So here is the cat eye gel polish. It's by Soupy. I got it from Amazon. On my right hand, that's actually my first try using it. And I went with this one because it comes with a magnetic tool. The other ones didn't, and I only wanted one as like a test try because I've never done this before. This is literally my second time using it. And ooh, it is so pretty. I love glitter. By the way, if you're subscribed to me and you do not like glitter, I don't know, man. I don't know what you're doing here. I'm just kidding. No, I'm really glad you're subscribed to me. But also, you gotta like glitter. Just tell me you like glitter. So what I'm doing here is I am putting glitter only on one section. And that section is basically trying to imply I'm doing like French tip, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm just putting it on the, I don't know how to describe it, but I'm just putting it in one section first. And then I will apply it on the tip section. But before I do that, I need to clean it up with some acetone, because you may not know this, but whether your gel polish has HEMA in it or not, if you leave it uncured on your skin, it will give you an allergy. And I unfortunately learned that the hard way. So you may want to, before you cure it, you need to move the magnetic polish around so that it doesn't get stuck. And I thought when I was filming this, I was like, oh, I can tell them which direction to go in, and I can tell them what to do this and that because I'm a pro at this. You know, I did pretty well on the first try. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Honestly, my advice to you here, just play with it. And even if you mess up, you can always go back, use the polish, and like paint over it while it's still wet and, you know, move around the glitter. And then you can move it around again with the magnetic. So it was literally a test try for me multiple times. I thought I had it, but I didn't. And I'm not even gonna lie, you probably won't either. But you will get it, okay? Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect, and imperfection makes the fact that you learned a lesson. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that either. But I love how you can totally tell like the glitter moving. It's just so fascinating. And as I said once before, my camera is not doing the glitter justice. Like, it looks all right, but I'm telling you guys in person,
oh, by the way, guys, you need to put
so
sunscreen on.
And then plus I have like a flashlight or some type of light on, so it was even more shiny in person. And now I am just curing this. And I was going to come back after I did all the rest, but I just want to show you this glitter appreciation. This is my first try using it, and it's also my first try using builder gel. So as you can see, I did it far away from my cuticle because the last time I used gel, my cuticles and fingertips, well, you know, they kind of exploded. Yes, I know. You're like, what do you mean exploded? Basically, they became pus-filled bumps. Yes, I know. It's absolutely disgusting. Absolutely. Ugh. But yeah, I learned my lesson. There's this chemical called HEMA, or I will insert the long word on the screen. It made my cuticles explode. And I'm not the only one. This apparently has been happening to a bunch of other people. So I am now trying out this brand, which you will see in a second. The top coat is actually the brand that I'm trying out. It has been doing a pretty good job so far. So yeah, now I have cured the glitter, and this is what it looks like. Okay, but the question is, should I do another coat of glitter? You know, another layer just to make it even more glitterful? Should I? No? Yeah, I end up doing it. Yeah. So I did another layer. And though you guys can't see me make a mistake, see, here's where I made the mistake. So after I was doing like the second coat, I forgot to move it around before I cured it. So it got stuck with however I painted it. So like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is I don't know if this is a such thing, but this is tutorial inspo. Yeah, tutorial inspo. So if you see any like cool tricks or any ways to paint, or if you just like watching or hearing me babble on, then this is for you, because I kind of messed up in this. But yeah, you can really see the glitter moving around. Also, please do not mind my peeled skin on my thumb. Everybody has it. It's happened to them at least once or twice. I'm not really a nail girly. I'm trying to be. I'm trying to be those aesthetically pleasing nail girlies with the natural long nails. That's the whole reason why I got builder gel, because I wanted to grow my nails out. And I was like, ooh, I can still paint my nails on top and, wipe it off with acetone and all that. Yeah. So, yeah, please do not mind that. And at this point, I'm thinking it's not the best, but it's not bad. And only later did I realize there was something stuck on my pointer finger. I don't even know what that is. I don't know what that is. I don't like it when things aren't perfect, but at the same time, I get tired of trying to perfect it. So I just posted, like right now, this video, if it weren't for me, it would not, if it weren't for my impulsive mood or vibe I've got going on right now, it would not get posted until 2 months. So you're welcome. And again, you can see the glitter moving. It's just so pretty. One of these days I'm going to make an aesthetically pleasing or satisfying nail tutorial, maybe one of these days. And it's going to be beautiful. And I don't know when that day will be, but it will come. See, guys, look, it's coming together. I was so happy. Oh my gosh. So the point of the concept of this style, this Velvet French style, is that there's supposed to be some kind of line that you can contrast from the tip to the other part of the nail. So you need to basically make the glitter, like pull it with a magnet and make the glitter go to one side and then on the tip go to the other. And so far, I don't think it's terrible. It's definitely not like Hey Great Nails. Hey Great Nails. If you've seen their channel, you know what I'm talking about. I might even link it because it's just beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So here I am. I'm applying another layer because I wanted the glitter to come on thick. Also, I just wanted to say a few days ago, I hit 1,000 subscribers. And I was like literally so shocked because one of the videos I posted, it was like a few days after I posted it, and it, it went kind of viral and it did good. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm shocked. But ever since then, it seemed like everybody started commenting less, or, not really viewing my videos. And I'm not really doing this for views, but I do want to share with you guys something I love and something I think you guys will love too. And I want us to both, kind of grow together. You could be doing your nails while you're watching me do my nails. May not be the same style, and my videos may not be a tutorial, but it's kind of my hope. So if you guys have any video suggestions, please comment below. And if you have, anything to say, just comment below. I'm here, honestly. I mostly do nails. I used to draw a lot and used to paint, but I've kind of gotten off of it. But honestly, any video suggestions will work. So I just want to let you guys know that. And voila, after multiple tries of moving the glitter around, this is like what I finally did for the thumb. And I'm kind of digging it. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm just glad it looks like something. Definitely doesn't look like hers, but again, it doesn't look ugly, and that's what I was going for. So yeah, I'm happy about that. And part of me thinks I probably could have just used the color by itself without adding the pink under it. Yeah, I probably could have done that. But I mean, the pink adds some extra, I mean, it was like supposed to be a Barbie style, I guess. But yeah, and then I cured it, and now I'm going to do the other nails. Here's how the pointer finger looks, and here in a second you will see a close-up, and oh my gosh, like I didn't even care if it moved, like the glitter was shining in the direction I wanted it to. I just love glitter, and honestly, if I didn't know that this glitter could be moved by magnets, I literally would have just left it on there, because pink and glitter, I mean, that's like original Barbie to me. That's maybe an 80s, 90s Barbie style or something, because it's definitely an old and plain style. But I mean, you can't get more Barbie than just using pink, can you? You can, right? I don't think so. By the way, this voice in the background, this may or may not be me singing. And voila, look at it. I've done all of them. Now, I hate this clip so much because it looks so ugly in this light, but I'm telling you guys, it looks so cute in person. Or like, I tried to turn the light off. I just wanted to get like a really cute shot, but I couldn't. But if you could just see what I was going for, you'd know that like in real life, it actually did not look this bad. Oh my goodness. And now I am about to put on top coat. Now, this top coat, it is a HEMA-free brand, which if you haven't heard me mention earlier, HEMA-free, it's the thing that causes my hands to break out sometimes, and your hands could still possibly break out if you leave uncured gel on your skin. But this brand, Emilio, not good at pronouncing things, but see that right there, non-wipe top coat? I should have showed you the box, but there we go. HEMA-free, HIPAA-free, basically just chemicals that's not in there. So I was so happy. And this top coat is actually very, very shiny, and you don't have to wipe it so you don't get that sticky residue. And I really appreciate that. And now I'm applying the top coat completely out of the middle of the frame. So all you guys can see is my finger in the corner. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh gosh. Okay, there we go. I got back in the middle. Cool. But this top coat is just super shiny and clear, and I'm just so happy that there is still hope for those of you who, get allergic easily. Also, I'm talking about myself, by the way. I get allergic very easily. And look at that shimmer. Oh, the shimmer. So pretty. And I'm fooling around with the lighting again, as you can see. Because I'm telling you guys, this actually does not look bad. But, yeah. Tried to fool around with the lighting. Still never got it. I might insert a video later on. Yeah, I'm probably going to end up doing that. Inserting a video. And then you guys will truly get to see what I see. Because, so like, I couldn't tell if the style was like ugly or not. But I don't think it's ugly. Especially when you have the right lighting on it. And right now, I have the right lighting on it. Except you can't tell on camera. Also, okay, so I have two things that you guys can comment below. You can comment either what your favorite color is or where you love to get your favorite jewelry from, because I've been looking for some really good rings, particularly Y2K rings, but honestly any ring will work. And I just want rings that will go like with any nail set, or even particular rings that can go for, you know, very pink nail sets like these. Like, I just want some rings to match everything, if you know what I mean. And I have some, but sometimes they still don't quite match, you know? They don't quite go along with, you know, the idea in my head that I'm going for. So yeah, comment those, and also comment video ideas too. But yeah, I'm trying to do both of those things. And if you have a favorite color, then I should be able to do a nail set on your favorite color. And here's the final look in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! I love them, and I am going to insert that video in here because I think I found a better lighting for it, so I will show you guys that. Also, I am going to apply some nail oil, of course. I'm trying to grow out my nails. I have like this cheap nail oil from, you know, your regular beauty supply. And then I also have one from Target. It's Ella Plus Mia. I really like this one. I like the formula. I like everything's about it. I even like the smell. It's like very lavender scent. So I'm applying that on my nails right now. And yeah, I would suggest this. I don't know if this is a hack or tip, or maybe this is just something for you to keep in mind, but I would suggest getting 2 nail strengthener oils. I mean, no. 2 nail oils, because one nail oil should be for maybe like one more moisturizing and one that smells good and actually works, because the one from the beauty supply, it's moisturizing. The one that smells good and actually works is the Ella Plus Mia one. And I think that one actually gave me some new nail growth. Okay, and at this moment, I am going to show you her nails and my nails, just for a little bit of comparison, because I don't think I did too bad. I still love hers. But I mean, for the method I used and for on the budget, I think I did pretty good. I just used pink under a cat eye polish, and then I just moved it in any direction, basically kind of figured it out. And I know you're like, what kind of tutorial tells me to just figure it out? Well, this is a showing of the process, my process, not really a tutorial. This was hopefully that you got some inspiration on maybe what to do, and hopefully you got entertained by me blabbering. Oh, and you know what? Next time I may do a galaxy set, so catch you on the next video.